What is up, Diecasters, and you're joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And as usual, you guys can see there's a RWB standing on the table. You guys know I'm a bit of a RWB freak, so here you guys have another RWB. And actually this was released kind of a few months ago, but I was able to get it to our channel this time, and here you have it. This is actually a special edition, and this is the RWB 964 in the white with the red strips. And also the special edition is that this is the Tarmac Works collaboration with Lean Customs Tokyo Auto Saloon 2021 special edition. So this is actually a special edition. You guys have seen a few auto saloons released at the past, and actually there are two of those are still missing in my collection, which I'm hoping to add up in the future. So for you guys, here's another auto saloon release, and this is in white with red strips. And actually this is one of the few white livery RWBs that came out, and being honest, looks amazing on an RWB being white. And we have another white RWB coming into our channel in the future, so let's get this out and check out. Talking about auto saloon releases, they actually kind of grow up with value in time, including the price and the value, because I've actually tried to get the, I can't remember actually which one, but it was also an auto saloon which was released about a year ago, and it has actually gone up in price to it goes with a range of $150 to $200 right now. So if you guys have auto saloon in your collection, make sure not to give it up and to keep it in your collection as long as possible. So this is what we have for today, and as always, you get your authentication card with the limited edition, and you get, it's like more like a certification which you get from Tarmac with every single model that they release. Because for people who don't know about this, Tarmac only produce a limited number of certificates and a limited number of models. So once they develop those models and release it to the public, they won't ever release it again. So that is the specialty about Tarmac, and that is why Tarmac is always on a special limited edition, and that is why Tarmac always grows with value. So this is the Tokyo Auto Saloon 2021 special edition, and let's get this out of the pack. You guys can see as usual the RWB stage with the RWB print, and Tarmac with RWB 964, and it says special edition. And talking about the livery and the details wise, Tarmac is becoming one of the best producers for RWBs, and this is where actually the RWB models mainly started, and people actually started buying and being curious about what RWB is actually means. So Akira Naikai coming up with a lot of new releases and a lot of new models which he's been building, and in the same time Tarmac has been able to keep up with him and release those models to us as well. So there you have it guys, the Tokyo Auto Saloon 2021 special edition release with white livery and red strips. So this is another RWB to our collection, and there's going to be way more in the future as well. And hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, make sure to subscribe to our channel, hit the like button and hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.